So I got this 2015 Equinox and had front end damage, required a new radiator, fan shroud, condenser, everything in the front end, the grills. And I'm replacing all these parts, and I'm using aftermarket pieces to save some money and also looking for some increased quality. And really I found it with this purchase here. So you can see my original fan shroud. The fan was damaged, the motor, the fan shroud itself, all those are 3 different components sold by GM. And to piece those 3 together, very expensive. And here I bought the entire kit as one unit for one price, and it was a good price. And I'm just really surprised that it came with everything I needed to just bolt this up to the new radiator and the new condenser and then put it in the car. So I didn't have to mess with the old motor or that fan blade being busted, any of that. I got it all in one package at a great price. And I'm just really surprised that they did that, because typically all these things are sold individually. Every little part, like as an example, all these small parts have had to be replaced one by one. So this was a great find, and as an aftermarket part, the quality looks just as good as everything else that I see on the original. The plastics feel good, they're not brittle. This is a unit that comes already assembled, and it's just ready to bolt in, and it's an exact match to what I had before. It's got all the components, including that little heat sensing piece down there. So really looking forward to putting this in, putting it together, and getting it back together and driving down the road. So definitely would recommend, if you're going to look for some aftermarket parts and you've got an issue with a fan shroud being destroyed on an old Equinox or Terrain, this fits a couple different years of those vehicles, and this would be a great buy. So hey, I hope this video was helpful. Hope the information was useful to you, and as always, I hope you have a great day.